Alright guys, so here she is. Just got her back. Alright guys, Average Mike again. About ready to head out. We gotta do some picking up our Sea-Doo HX. I've had it at my old house for a little while now. We rented out, so I just never took it. They never bothered to care. It's been a few years, so it's going to be kind of torn up, most likely. Got my helper here with me today. What's up, man? Nothing. All right. And we're gonna go scoop it up, bring it back home, see what we got. I had the motor. It wasn't all the way together, but it was pretty close. So we'll try to get it running, and then once it's running, we'll probably take it all apart, clean out the body, paint the motor, put it all back together. It's gonna be a whole big project here. So, all right, we're off. Let's do it. Alright guys, there she is, getting helped out over here. Jeremy's out there. Let's see what we got. Alright guys, so here she is. Just got her back from the my old house. A little bit of a trip, a little sketchy. This trailer jet ski hasn't moved in years, so hopefully we can bring her back from the dead. I did not realize, but I certainly realized once I left the spark plugs out. That's not gonna be good. Water was in here. This is still pretty moist, I'd guess. All those years sitting, it's probably locked up. No big deal. Those motors, that's a 720 motor. They go pretty cheap. Either that or I'll buy a. There's a lot of skis that have them in it. So buy something that doesn't look that good, steal the motor out of it, get it for cheap. Yeah, that's it. Just needs a power washing for sure. She needs to be cleaned up. We'll get her running, get a power wash, get it running. Yep, we'll get it running, and then we'll get it stripped down, cleaned up, painted, etc. There you go. Yeah. Got a bunch of parts in the back too for it. All right, let's move around. Good stop at the old McDonald's. Gotta feed the help, right? All right, Michael? How's your McDonald's? Good? All that hard work you did. Gotta keep you going strong. Nothing? Don't you want to be on YouTube? How's the chicken? Yeah? Hey guys, back here another day. What I'm gonna try to do is take all this stuff out, see what's in here, and then power wash it. Get it clean. What's up, guys?
Hi.
What we got? Roses. Ugh. There wasn't much in here. Where did carbs go into? That's not good. Chances are this motor was full of water. See if we can get it to turn a little bit. It's turning. How about that? Wow, I'm impressed. Got lucky there. Still have to pull it, I think, and empty the crankcase oil just to see what we got. Clean it up. Okay, let's close the lid and we'll power wash it. finished power washing and doesn't look half bad. Cleaned up pretty good actually, besides the wheel wells. Yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Stay tuned, you'll see me start ripping that thing apart, going through the motor, making sure everything's kosher, and then get it back in, hopefully get it running, and then we can really start the restoration project. Alright guys, if you like what you saw, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that too. You can also turn on post notifications, that way we put out a new video. It comes right up on your screen there.
See you guys on the next video.